Are you experiencing chronic pain? New research shows you're not alone. According to the Institute of Medicine, an estimated 116 million adults experience pain on a daily basis, costing the United States up to $635 billion in medical bills and loss of productivity each year. Medical experts say many cases of chronic pain are preventable. Yet despite numerous advances in modern medicine, many Americans still find themselves dealing with pain on a daily basis.
Most Americans who have chronic pain are going to go and reach for the pill bottle. They're going to go to the drugstore and get an anti-inflammatory or get Tylenol, also known as acetaminophen. And if that doesn't work, they're going to go to their doctors and get a prescription. And usually it's for an anti-inflammatory that's a higher dose, or even a narcotic in chronic cases. Occasionally, the doctor will actually write a prescription for physical therapy.
Many in the medical community believe that some of today's most popular methods to treat and manage chronic pain only mask the condition, which can be potentially dangerous.
I recently read a statistic that was very shocking, and it's on the Food and Drug Administration site of adverse reactions to medications. In 2010 alone, there were over 400,000 adverse events to medications, and that was using them properly. That wasn't even including overdoses. And of those, over 80,000 deaths. I mean, that's an astronomical number of deaths per year in America, and it keeps getting worse each year. So medications do carry a price.
Today, Western medicine is seeking new ways to solve the chronic pain crisis in America. Many doctors are now embracing one of the oldest healing practices in the world, acupuncture. In fact, it's recognized as one of the primary sources of health care for 1 billion people, or nearly 20% of the world population.
Modern-day acupuncture consists of taking very fine, thin needles and putting them on specific points on the body, on these channels on the body, and they're called acupuncture meridians. Sometimes the energy in the channels, also known in Chinese medicine as qi, life force, can be very low. So what acupuncture does is it increases the life force of the person, and it increases the flow of energy in these channels. And with chronic pain, we feel that chronic pain is due to a blockage in these channels, so that when we can relieve the blockage through acupuncture and increase the flow of energy in the channels, the pain goes away. And not only that, it helps to balance the energy in all the channels and help create wellness through this energetic balancing.
Around the globe, medical professionals are discovering the benefits of acupuncture, and some of these specialists have come across a new tool that works similar to acupuncture, but with a modern twist that requires no needles.
It's a little patch that you put on acupuncture points or on the point of pain, and it helps to decrease inflammation, and it actually decreases stress as well. And the great thing about it is that, there are no chemicals, there are no drugs, it doesn't even go through the skin. It's really an energetic form of therapy, just like acupuncture, but it's non-invasive. It's not inside the body.
Many chronic pain sufferers like Thomas Burke have reported significant improvements in their symptoms and overall quality of life after using these patches.
Since using the patches, I found that I had diminished pain almost immediately, and then as time went on, and now I don't have to wear braces at all that I used to wear on my knees and on my back while playing tennis, or I don't wear anything at all because I just don't have the pain.
So when I started using this tool for pain, what was really fascinating was I was noticing a lot of other extra benefits for my patients. So not only was their pain a lot better, they were reporting they were sleeping better, their relationships were better because they were calmer and less stressed. They actually felt like they had more energy in the morning. Their mood was very stable. I mean, I was actually floored at one little patch how it could do all these things.
Many medical professionals now feel that energy medicine and energy medicine tools, such as the patches, represents the dawning of a new age, not only in the treatment of pain, but in the management of other chronic health conditions.
Using infrared medical imaging, we can document the inflammation in someone's body when they have chronic pain. In these before and after pictures, you'll see that in the chronic pain, red, purple areas are areas of heat or inflammation. And then after we apply the patch, within minutes, there's a dramatic shift. The colors then change to a cooler green, blue, and there are very few things out there that can create such a dramatic improvement in inflammation in just minutes.
The pain level prior to the patches would vary anywhere from, on a pain scale of 0 to 10, would vary anywhere between 4 and at times 10, when I literally could not get out of bed. I was packed in ice and I couldn't move. And now if I experience any discomfort, it's maybe or 1 or 2. And now, after using the ice wave or the pain relief patches for so long, I put the patches on and literally within 10 seconds the pain is completely gone.
Dr. Karen Kan was originally trained as a traditional Western medical doctor, but today she is a holistic physician and acupuncturist with a thriving practice in Lake Placid, New York. Suffering from fibromyalgia, a severe incurable chronic pain condition, she was able to recover using holistic health strategies and went on to win national and international gold medals in adult competitive figure skating. Today, she is dedicated to helping people get well by sharing the wisdom she has learned through her own healing journey.
I'm there as a partner on this journey, not as the overseeing doctor, and I'm not just giving a treatment and the patient's just passively receiving a treatment. You know, it's not about that, or at least it isn't about that anymore. It's really, we're standing side by side as partners so that I can guide them to the best of my ability so they can heal, and I can guide them on their self-healing journey. And I realized that for my own personal healing journey, that's really what it's about. And healing is really a joyous process. And even having pain can be part of a creation of a joyous process. Pain is not necessarily a bad thing. Pain can be something that sparks you to then go on and find out what your life is really about.
With the number of Americans dealing with chronic pain on the rise, Dr. Kan's hope is that Americans will become more receptive to trying natural healing methods such as energy medicine.
Now in America, we find a growing number of people that are becoming open to acupuncture tools like the patches. And so now we have tens of thousands of distributors, and these are lay people, not even healthcare providers, that are trained in the use of these tools to help other people out of pain. So I'm extremely excited that in America we're showing growing interest in using these tools and helping other people.
For a copy of Dr. Kan's guide on healing chronic pain, visit KarenKan.com.